Starting with NetQ version 2.3.1, we've added the feature of fabric-wide snapshot and compare. With just a few clicks, I can create a snapshot at any point in time about the state of the fabric. For example, before or after a software upgrade. NetQ will go through and pull the state across every device in the system and hold that information to be compared later. Once a snapshot completes, we can simply compare it. By comparing the pre-upgrade to the post-upgrade, we can see that we've lost a BGP peer, as well as had a number of changes in our neighbor or ARP entries. By clicking on BGP, we can drill in to see exactly what has changed. And in this case, we can see that Lethal 1 has lost a BGP peer on port 51.